In this video, I'm going to give you 5 realistic passive income ideas to earn at least $3,000 a month. And these ideas are tailored to people who don't have a lot of time to dedicate to a part-time job or a side hustle. This is part 2 of a video series I'm doing on how to make money from home. So for each of these passive income ideas, I'm going to tell you about what it is, how much you can make, and how you can easily get started to make a passive income as quickly as possible. So let's jump right into it. So my first passive income idea is creating and selling digital products. So digital products are things like ebooks, printables, printable planners, templates, online guides, like anything that you can purchase online as a digital guide. And the really cool thing about this is that you can create it one time and sell it multiple times on multiple platforms. That's why I think this is one of the best ways to make passive income, because you're literally creating a product one time and you can sell it pretty much forever. You might have to update it every now and then, but you can still sell it forever. Now, how much can you realistically make with digital products? It depends on what you do, what your niche is, but you can earn anywhere from $50 a month to more than $2,000 a month. And this all depends on your niche, pricing, and how well that you're able to actually market your product. A lot of people like to get started selling digital products on Etsy because it's a well-established platform. And when you're doing SEO, it might be a little easier to already go into a pool where people are actively searching for stuff every single day. But on the other hand, Etsy can be a really crowded environment when you're trying to stand out. The best way to get started with selling digital products is to identify some type of problem, and if you have a solve for that problem. So a lot of people like to use design tools like Canva because it's free. There is a paid version. Then you can list it on marketplaces like Etsy or your own website. I know a lot of people use Shopify. And then you can promote it through social media, if you have a blog, a YouTube channel, an email list. And I actually got the opportunity to interview Julie from Gold City Ventures. And Julie started selling bachelorette printables, and she started making so much money from doing this that she decided to create a course to help other people who want to make a passive income do the same thing. And I was shocked to find out that one of her students made 6 figures just a few months after she finished their course. So if you're knowledgeable in something that you're the go-to for, all your friends, all your family are always asking you, you have something that you can sell. Package it up and you've got a product. Alright, so my next passive income idea is affiliate marketing. And I actually just did a video on this. So affiliate marketing is where you are promoting products or services and you get paid if somebody actually buys from clicking on your link. So you're basically earning a commission. So there are a lot of factors that can depend on how much money you make with affiliate marketing, but beginners can make anywhere from $50 to $500 plus a month. It's so many different factors on what could determine how much money you make with affiliate marketing. But if you set a plan and how you can market to people to actually see your link, because that's the hardest part, getting people to actually see your link and believe in whatever you say to make sure that they click on that link and actually hit purchase. All of these factors play a crucial role with affiliate marketing. So how to get started with affiliate marketing? So you sign up for programs like ShareSale or Amazon, and these are pretty easy to apply for, and most people get accepted the first time out. So when you're promoting your affiliate links, if you have a blog, a YouTube channel, an email list, newsletters, you just want to make sure that you're being authentic and focus on recommending products that you actually care about. My next passive income idea is creating an online course. If you have an expertise in a specific area, then you should think about creating an online course. There are platforms you can use like Udemy, Teachable. So this is similar to creating that digital product one time and selling it multiple times over and over. So when you create a course, sometimes depending on whatever the course entails, there's updates because like technology, it improves over time. You might have to update this every few months or years depending on what the online course involves. But you're basically teaching a skill or a topic through videos, presentations, and worksheets. And it's a way to share and help people learn at their own pace. So how much you can make, I like to see what my competitors are doing. What are they pricing theirs out for? Because you kind of want to make sure that you match their price ranges, or make sure that the value in your content is so much better than theirs, then it's just a no-brainer. So make sure that you choose a topic that you know like the back of your hand, so you have no questions questions when somebody in your course asks you a question. You can host your course on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Kajabi. I see a lot of people using Kajabi these days. And you can promote it through social media. It's probably the best free place to promote it because you got to market your product. And don't pay for marketing until you actually have some income. All right, so my next passive income idea is with ad revenue. Now, in order to make ad revenue, you first need to have one of two things, either a following or a platform. So the first way that I make money with ad revenue is with my blog. And I use Google AdSense. When people come to my blog, they scrolling through and then they see ads going down the page, on the side of the page, on the left, the right, the top, the bottom. There's ads all throughout my content. But you want to make sure that it's not so many ads that it distracts the viewer from actually getting the content that's on my blog. You want to make sure that there's balance there. But you can make a lot of money with ad revenue from blogs. And I know because I'm not even a big blogger. And one of my best revenue months with Google AdSense was around 1900. And that was like, it was so passive because I'm not selling anything. I'm not doing anything. All the work has already been done. They're just showing ads on my content. It was like such a great way to make some money. Another great way to make money with ad revenue is by starting a YouTube channel. That's one of the main reasons why I'm talking to you right now, trying to get monetized. So for YouTube, the threshold is 1,000 subscribers, and then you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time within the past year, so 365 days. And then you can actually start making money with ad revenue from YouTube. And the cool thing about YouTube is that just because you've created a video one time, next year you get to create the same types of videos, the same content ideas for next year, because all of your content ideas are now updated because like I said, technology changes, and then you'll be able to give your audience a new fresh take on whatever is going on. So from what I've seen in threads and different forums, small YouTubers who are monetized with YouTube, they can make anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 a month. All you need to do is create a YouTube channel. And the cool part about this is that if you're worried about showing your face, there are a host of YouTube channels that don't even show your face. All right, so my next passive income idea is sell your household items, rent out your old baby gear. Since I'm a mom, I now know all the things that are left over as your child gets older. They no longer play with things, they no longer wear things. And there's a platform called BabyQuip where you can rent out your gear to other moms. And there are moms making a lot of money, especially if you live in places where there's a theme park or attraction nearby. I did some research and found that moms who are in like the Disney World or Universal, there's a lot of moms that are traveling down there and they need a stroller, they need a sound machine, they need a lot of baby gear that you don't have to lug onto a plane. Some moms are making up to $5,000 a month doing this. Another great way to sell your household items is to get on eBay or Mercari and sell, especially if it's something that's name brand or unique. So a lot of people nowadays they love to reuse things, repurpose things, recycle things. It's a really good way to clean your closet and make some money. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to watch part 1 on how to make money online. And you don't want to miss my next one, so make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell for notifications. Alright, I'll see you there.